Python tutorials. My name is Srinivas. In this video, I am going to discuss about file operations. The first one is open function in Python. What is open function? The open function in Python. Open function in Python. Okay, clear, guys? So now, what is the purpose of the main function? What is the purpose of this function? This function is mainly used. This function is used to open a file. Open a file. And after opening, to perform the writing operation, or reading operation, or modify the data, or completely delete the data. These are the delete the data. These are the main operations in delete the data. The main purpose of the file is open function is this function is to open a file. After opening, if you want to perform the writing operation, use writing operation. If you want to read the data from the file, reading. If you want to modify any existing data, modify. If you want to delete the existing data, it is possible also. These operations are possible. Now, syntax is file pointer. File pointer is very important. The file pointer equal to open up in the double quotes, file name, and in the double quotes or single quotes. Anyone? I don't double quotes and single quotes also is possible. Mode of the file. In Python, either single quote or double quotes or triple single quotes or triple double quotes. The same open function also open up file name mode. This is the syntax of the completely. Here. First one here. What is file pointer? File pointer is a object of the file. This is the very important. The corresponding file object. And the second one, file name is a name of the file. Any name, you can give any name. And mode is the file is opened for which purpose? Mode is indicates the file opening modes. That is the file is open. The file is opened for which purpose? That is the purpose of this one. So that means the purpose means there are the different purposes. One is to open a file in the writing operation, and open a file in the reading operation, or modification. That means modification means addition or deletions, and here also deletion also. These are the open. So now the syntax is the file pointer of open and the file name. Any name. You give the any name of the file, either .txt file or some binary files also. This is only for text files. If you want to modify the binary files also is possible. Open a binary file, no problem. Mode. Now the mode indicates the file opening modes. The file is opened for which purpose? There are the different modes. In Python, the file opening modes are the file opening modes are different modes. The file opening modes are there are the different operations. One is open a file is one mode is W mode. What is the purpose of W mode? One is read mode. Okay. One is A mode. What is A? What is A mode? What is the A? Here. And other one is A plus mode. W plus mode. Okay. Another one is a R plus mode. Another one is A plus mode. And one more important is X mode. Here to open a file these are the different modes. 7 modes are available. To open in Python, the following modes are available. One is open a file. These are the text files, text opening files. So now W mode, R mode, A mode, W plus, R plus, A plus, and X. What is W mode? Okay. To open a file, W mode means to open a file for only writing purpose only. To open a file for writing purpose. Is very important. Writing purpose. If the file is already existing, to modify the old data, and to add the new data. If here, if the file is, wait 1 minute after completing up all these one. Next one, to open a file for reading purpose. Okay, clear. And here to open a file for appending purpose. Open a file. Okay. To open a file for appending purpose. The A means appending. A means appending. W means writing. R means reading. A for appending. Here open a file for appending purpose. Here another one. To open a file for W plus means, okay, writing and reading. Writing and reading both writing and reading purposes. Okay, clear. And here R plus, to open a file for reading and appending. Here not writing, appending. Now here to append the data, to append the new data at the beginning of the file. Beginning of the file. This is very important. Now clear. So now R plus means to open a file for reading and appending. To append the new data at the beginning of the file. Same as A plus also. A plus also same. To open a file for reading and appending. To append the new data at the beginning of the file in R plus, but the A plus in the end of the file. Now this mode here to open a file for exclusively writing mode. Exclusively for writing operation. Writing operation is very important. Exclusively for writing operation. This is the X mode. Perform the writing operation only. This is important. To open a file for only for writing operation. Here to open a file for new data at the end of the file, beginning of the file, and these are the open files. In W mode, to open a file for only writing purpose. That means if the file already exists, then what happens, sir? If the file name already exists, the given file name already, the file is already exists, then to remove the old data, and to store the new data. This is the main disadvantage. If the file already existed, then to remove the old data and store the new data. If okay, otherwise to create a new file. If the file is not existing, then create a new file. Here, same as writing operation, both are same. X also for only for writing. If the file is already existed, then in the writing mode, to remove the old data and to store the data. But here, the file is already existing, then it returns file exists error. File exists error. It is very important. Otherwise, to create a file. That is the difference between W mode and X mode. What is W? W mode means for writing, and the X also for writing. Here, if the file is already existing, then remove the old data and store the new data. Here, the file already exists, then it returns the file exists. The current file already existing, cannot create the new file. Otherwise, to create a new file. That's the difference between W and X. Clear, guys, all of you? Up to here. So these are the file opening modes, open function. Different types of file opening modes in Python. For example, simple example 1. Now here example 1. To create a file. Example 1. To create a student.txt file. Okay, clear. To create a student.txt file. How to create a file? For example, file pointer. The syntax is file pointer equal to open up file name and mode. This is the main important. Here and now one small message. File is created. New file is created. Only for your understanding purpose, new file is created. Okay, complete. Is that clear? Now, this is the example one up here. So these are the enclosed in the command comment line because to run the Python file. Okay, the open syntax. Clear? Now, okay, this is the syntax. File pointer. Now, any pointer name. For example, you are assuming that the file pointer is X. Now, open a file name. The file name is student.txt. This is the file name. And the mode is, you can write the mode in any purpose. Okay, W purpose. W purpose. That means here, open function, it takes the two arguments. The first argument is the file name. Second argument is the mode. The first argument is the file name is student.txt. The mode is W mode. What is the W mode? W mode means to open a file for writing operation only. Clear, guys? If the file is already existing, then remove the old data and store the new data. Otherwise, to create a, if the file is not existing, to create a new file, right? Run this program. Clear? X is a file. X file is created. Okay, clear? See, observe this one. The bottom of the screen, new file is created. Now here I'm running 2 times. Execute a run command in 2 times. No doubt. So the output is also 2 times. New file is created. Already old data is closed and new file is created. Now open a file. Go to open and open the student.txt file. Here, this is the student.txt file. Open it. Without any writing any data. To create a file is empty file. Please observe this one. To create a file is empty file. Is the empty file. Clear? If we are using X mode, because what happens? Open a file for exclusively for writing operation. If the file already exists, then returns the file existed. If the file already exists, please observe this one. If the file already exists, then what is the output? The output is for it returns the file exists error. Clear, guys? Now run this one. Now file exists error because error number 17. File exists. Student.txt file already exists. So we are not creating new file. New file creation is not possible. For example, assume that student1.txt. If the student1.txt is already available, display the same message. If the student1.txt is not available, creating a new file, right? Run this module, execute this one. Okay. Student1.txt file is new file is created. Clear? Because student1.txt already not present. Now, if here present, the file is created. Run this program again. Now error because student1.txt is already existing. Because already creating the previous example, the previous file running time, creating a file. These are the file opening modes, complete open syntax. Clear all of you or not? Guys? Okay.